Hello guys, welcome to my first ever video. Okay, before I say anything, I just want to say this is a fan-made game. That's why I have all of this on. I will be posting like actual real attack content. As you can see, fan-made game. It gives you long arms too. But yeah, if you want to go download it, and if you want to know what it's called, it's it's called Sharko Tag. So if you want to go download it, you can. I'm a new creator. redmonkey-gt, redmonkey_. I'm gonna start making more Gorilla Tag content. So, not like other games too. I'm not just gonna post. That was weird. But I'm gonna post other games too. Not just this game, or I'm gonna post Gorilla Tag too. So, yeah, but I don't really know what to do. So, I'm just gonna show you like what my branching skills are and stuff. And then we're gonna go into a public lobby, and not to like be that guy, but I'm gonna mute everybody because like people can get racist sometimes. So, well, I mean, yeah, that's my opinion. But I'm gonna show you some of my skills, and if you want to join this game, I don't really have an official fan code yet, but if you want to meet me, which nobody probably would, this is what I would look like. Without this badge though. So I'll have the cowboy hat, this little monkey on my arm unless I take it off, and these rings in that. So now I will post like, actual Gorilla Tag. I don't know if I said it already, but, oh yeah, and gym class. I'll post some of that because there's some basketball on that. Sorry if I'm being heavy, bruh. I don't know why I do that. I just do that a lot when I'm playing VR. But yeah, like I said, I'm a new content creator. And I'm not trying to be one of those content creators that beg for subs, but it will be highly appreciated if you do sub to me. I'll start going live and playing with viewers. It won't just be this game. If I do end up playing with viewers, and then it'll be on Gorilla Tag. But yeah, I'll probably put a Bible verse in this video too, just like TTTP. You gotta spread that love. So if you feel somebody being like, if somebody's being mean to someone, just like don't watch it happen, I guess. Like, because you don't know what they could be going through. You never know. Like, imagine like if one of their parents bought them a VR, so happy about it, just to go into like a Gorilla Tag game, and then get called not so kind words. So I don't really know what I'm saying. I'm just trying to talk about anything. I don't really have anything to talk about because this is my first video. But I think it's about that time I go to the public lobby and just show you like my skills in this game. But yeah, I probably won't talk a lot because I'll probably be locked in. Excuse me. Yeah, so okay, well yeah, that kid, too good. Man, I suck at this game. Like I said, it's a fan-made game. It's not an actual real game. Oh gosh, I'm actually getting cooked. Yes, I breathe a lot. Oh, dang, that was quick. Oh, that scared me, to be honest. I was not expecting that. I'm not trying to breathe heavy, bro. Sorry, guys. I would unmute everybody, but I don't know how to like edit fully yet. So I'm gonna figure that out. I never realized how hard I breathe. I breathe like I just ran a marathon. If I fall right now, I'm cooked. Oh god, okay. No! Oh, phew. That was coming after me. Goodbye, that's a funny joke. Oh, okay. You came on. It's okay. Alright, if I hear one bad word, then I'm gonna mute everybody again, but for now.
I rubbed in your face.
Black, I'll do it.
Man, how you tag me? Bro, what are you doing to my snowman? Cute. I'm not in my cat thing. Yo, Dark Red, I can get you.
On direction. I don't care.
Get
run.
Who said they could tag me?
Oh no, I'm so slow on ground. Oh.
I bet I could tag you.
Red monkey.
From my run.
What?
You're a monkey?
Hey guys, I'm the new Wild Monkey. How we doing?
Come that way. Come that way.
Look!
Oh well, I guess I am now.
That way,
GG.
Look that way.
GG, bro. Yo.
Get on ground.
Yo, guys! Run!
POV Food and Bone Lab.
That jaw was bone dry. That bone dry.
Hey man.
Hey, yo, Red.
I was cooking.
Yo, you're in a YouTube video, by the way.
Oh, W, how many subscribers do you have?
I was making content back then, but then I stopped. But for right now, I only have 17. I'm trying to get more.
Oh, bro, I have 200.
Dang, bro.
Stop it now. Stop it now.
You should subscribe.
like
It's
that.
official IC4YVR.
I'm not gonna remember that, but
Welcome to my channel.
I'll try to remember that. I will sub too.
I'll wait, what's your YouTube channel?
It's just my username. It's redmonkey-gt.
redmonkey-gt. Alright, I'll subscribe.
Yeah, it's like a red monkey that looks like it's like drawn, and it has like a party hat on top of it.
Don't think you can get
Yo,
away.
what are you doing? What kind of run is that?
Bro, he went up behind you. I went.
Dude,
Bridge?
you got the finger painter? How do you get the finger painter?
Advantage? Are you doing the wobble your head speed advantage, bro?
You want me to juke you?
Yeah, wobble your hand, bro.
Look.
I wobbled my head. I wobbled my head and almost threw my headset across my room.
Look, ready? Look.
Buckets.
Even look.
One is might be hard, though. Guys,
Look, ready?
guys, don't judge me.
Because
I
my
have one
one is so
hand,
weird
but
that I could do
guys,
that.
I have one hand.
It gives you. Does it look like my head? No.
Like, you
My
know, they call me the
hand
juke
long,
master. They call me the juke master.
What's 99999?
They call you the juke master.
They call me the Riz, bro.
Juke master.
You're pretty good at ground, but
me the
I'm really good at
Me,
juking.
me, I'm good at ground.
Because when you actually buy them, the first time you have to go down.
It's pretty
Pretty
good.
good. Like Project Word. My
No,
friend
he's
who
good.
got
He's good.
Where'd that one kid go?
I'm good at walls. He's good at everything. Even juking.
This game.
Even roasting.
No,
Also,
probably
even
like
talking
almost-
smack.
I'm
Even.
probably like top
He also
100
better at looking. He's better at
Oh, there he is.
flying. He's better at the game. He's better at
Oh, there you
roll.
go.
I think
He's
that's
better than Gorilla's at. He's
Wait,
even
wait.
better than Scary Baboon.
25 update.
Also,
Are you recording a video too?
No! You detective! Please, don't leave me here! Going home!
And then
Going
if you go
home!
to the Discord server,
Bro,
if
if
you
that,
go
if
Oh,
that,
you
if
did
that,
something.
like the thing on the
Look,
computer,
Suki.
find your ID, type it in the Discord,
Wait, you got a Discord?
and my ID. You can request another.
bro, I only have one head! Why do you attack me?
They might give
Get
you
outta here.
cosmetics.
You get out of
I don't
here.
care about you.
You get out of here.
There's two hands, so
My
Get
favorite
forced.
fighters,
No, you get out of here.
the game. Hope you enjoy it. Anyway, I'm trying to get
Oh, what?
a
Hey, that juke.
I got stuck. Get this YouTube video to
Dude, I hit my VR.
gotcha.
GG, bro.
Get tag me.
Alright, bye guys.
I can't get my
I'm
stuff!
trying to get AX badge. I have 200 drivers. So I could get it, you need 200 drivers.
Oh, I hit it.
Yeah, I got my plushie. Bum, bada, bum, bum, bada,
Yo!
bum, bum, bada,
Twins,
bum,
bro.
bum, bum.
Nah, bro. Why is that the first thing you do?
No, hold on, do it again. Wait, hold on. Let me do something.
I don't
No,
know.
hold on.
If it's sus, bro, I have to
Alright,
delete
pay
it.
like
Oh
this,
yeah,
pay
no.
like this, pay
Heck
like this.
nah, bro.
No, please, please.
I'm not trying to get demonetized.
I'm about to do this.
I know what you're gonna do.
No, you don't.
Are you sure
No, you
about that,
don't.
Bucko?
You don't know what I'm about to do.
Oh,
See, look at
whatever.
you.
Yeah, buddy, you really thought?
I can just go way
No,
faster.
please. Spit.
Ow, hold on.
Dang, I tried to do
Never mind.
one hand.
Here's how you do it.
I did.
I didn't
That's
tell
why I
you.
was
Yeah, but one hand is crazy.
Oh,
No, I'll beat everybody in this lobby before you.
oh shit.
Alright, I'm eating that kid anyway.
Bro, I can't even do walls.
No, where do you think you're going?
As I said, guys, I'm just trying to keep it protected because I'm not trying to get demonetized. Where did that one kid go? He was. Oh my god! I hate when people do. Oh my god!
Red monkey.
What's
I
up,
will
brother?
Find you above you and above. Here, join me. Tag me. Watch this. Watch this. Skip them. I will get you. Don't run. I will get you.
Skibbity. Bro, my tracking! I would have got you.
Flip, what is my tracking right now? Oh my god. Bro, why did everybody come after me?
Going.
Where you going,
How about
son?
you, because you get tagged so much faster.
Bro, Am I lagging?
At least I got. At least I got tagged before you. I meant after you.
Oh, the one hand, bro. The one hander. The one hander is now one-handed.
Christmas time is here.
Bro thought.
Bro, how can you not catch up with that? Loki's phone on the phone. Nigga, I will punch you in your face.
Oh, I have to beep that out. Who just said that? Wait, did you just say that word? Yeah, wait. Wait. Who just said that? Who just said that word, bro? I'm trying to mute them.
What was that?
The very not so nice word.
Say what?
Team
The Great Meme Reset.
I'm talking to my brother. What are you talking about? I'm talking to my whole brother. I'm not talking to y'all.
Team Reset.
Oh
I
yeah.
don't care. Nobody's talking to y'all.
Dude, you're gonna get my video taken down.
Oh, what's up, J-Man? What's up?
Okay, he left. Good. I was about to mute him, bro. This video is gonna be long. I'm gonna have to end it soon. Alright, chat. Next time a new round starts, after this one, I'm gonna end the video. Just put some suggestions in the comments. Like anybody's gonna see this video, but put some suggestions in the comment. I can't speak! Suggestion! Bruh. Put some suggestions in the comments if whatever game you want me to play. Here, this is the games I'm gonna show you that I can play because they're in my library. These are all the ones I got. Except that one. I don't like that one. And Game Worker. But I have all of that. You see nothing! You saw nothing, bro.
Bro, you kind of ran right into me.
I kinda. Oh. I'm not here, bro.
Oh, I know you're not.
Oh.
Mr. Vecna, please don't kill Steve. Bum, 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 bum. Oh my God, Nancy. Wait, no, kill Jonathan. Or someone else. Or one of those tweets. Definitely not Will.
I escaped danger.
It's me, Shy Bland. I convert, but you can't because your name is Mo.
Fuck! Where'd the bro just go?
My hand Loki just went right through.
Hey, why you freaking me off? That's tough. You're getting reported, bro.
I respect it, bro. Trying to keep the community protected. I respect it.
I think that was him, yeah, here.
Oh, rolling.
Spam reporting him.
Puta.
Spam reporting him, guys.
Wait, are you reporting me?
Dang it. Bro saw me.
No.
Anyway, guys, I'm gonna end the video here.
That was literally
Well, I'm gonna go talk real quick. Oh, wait. I need to join my private code. Oh, sorry, I don't mean to be in an infection lobby, but I will edit this video and post it just in here a little while. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna have to end it here, but before I end it, I just want to say thank you to all of you that subscribe to me, or are gonna subscribe to me, hopefully. And And I just want to say, I love you guys. I mean, it's so weird saying that, bro. But just give me a second here. Anyway, guys, the Bible verse of the day is cast all your anxiety on him because he cares for you. And chapter 1 Peter, it's Peter 5:7. Hope I'm saying that right. Anyway, I just want to say bye, y'all. And thank you for watching this video all the way through if you did. And if you want to play with me, click, I can't even say anything. And just leave a comment down below if you want to play with me. And put your MetaQuest name. I'll add you and we can play together. I don't think anybody is gonna wanna, but yeah. Anyway, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching this video through, and I'll see you next time. See you later.